Hey everyone, so you all can see this star over here. This is a pentagonal star made up of 5 pieces of paper, and this is because this is made up of 5 pieces of paper, so this is a modular pentagonal star, and this is a very simple model. So a single piece over here looks like this, and I'll show you exactly how to fold this piece. So let's start folding this. So we take a square sheet of paper, and what we want to do is we want to make the blit space over here. So for making the blit space, firstly we have to fold this in half in one direction. Okay, and then what we do is we take these edges and bring them to the half line like this, and do that for all the 4 edges. So in general, to make the blit space, what we do is we say that we have to bring every corner to the center, but because we have folded the half line and this is a square, so just by bringing this edge towards the half line, it is enough to make it into a blit space. Now what we do is that in this blit space, we have got these edges over here. So we'll take these edges and we'll again bring them to this half line. So we'll do that only for 2 edges. So when one edge like this and this other edge, so if one edge was here, then the other edge over here, the adjacent edge, we'll do it in this manner, so that there's this bottom triangle remaining. Okay, we'll flip this over and then we'll fold this triangle on top. Okay, starting from these 2 corners, and then we'll fold it inside out like this. Okay. So this is a very simple piece. Now to get the desired shape for the pentagonal symmetry, we firstly try to open this. So we open it while pivoting it over here on this side. So if I open this, you can see that I'm pivoting exactly over here. So this whole flap, it is opening from this pivot point over here, this vertex. I open this, and what I'll do is I'll bring this corner point. So this corner point, I'll bring it over here. Okay. So that I'll be able to get this part over here, this edge over here. So this crease would actually help me in making my proper shape. So next what we do is we actually take this. Okay, so you can see this crease which gets formed over here. And now what we have to do is we have to take this crease on top of this other crease which we made, just like that. Okay, the exact same thing over here. And this gives us one piece. So we'll require 5 such pieces. So I've got one piece over here, and I've got 4 other pieces over here. So let's start assembling them. So the assembly is very simple. So in this piece, you can see that I've got this part over here, which has got 2 openings, this one and this other. And here, these 2, these would go inside. So these are my pockets and these are my sockets. Okay. So these 2, you can see, this is my pocket, this is my socket. So I'll take my socket, put it inside my pocket, just like that. Okay, and I'll do it for all the 5. And this last one, inside over here, this socket in the pocket. And there we have it. Happy folding!